I'll create a new folder. Okay, drive or Python package, and you can say web. So I've created a new package, Python package, and I'll create a new file, Python file, and I'll call it as browser. Okay, enter. Now, before interacting or running your Selenium WebDriver programs, okay, we have to do two things. First of all, we have to bring in Selenium library files in our Python project. Okay, this is our Python project. We have to bring in our libraries over here. Already in this project, I'm having this external libraries. Okay, Selenium libraries over here, but I'll explain you how to bring in text libraries over here. Okay, so we are having one uh, PyPy, that is Python package index. Okay, that is a short form. PyPy, that is Python. Py is Python package index. Okay, so with the help of pip command, okay, we can extract a package, okay, Python package in our Python project. Okay, so let me search for Selenium. So I'll just search for Selenium over here, enter, and you should see that current version is Selenium 4.14.0. Okay, if you go to selenium.dev website also, down, download section. So in case of download section, if you see Python package current stable version is 4.14. Okay, October, released on October 9, 2023. Same you will see over here. Okay, so click on this, and now you should get the command. If you want to install Selenium package, you can just write pip install Selenium. And where you have to install this, you have to install it in your Python project. Okay, so over here. So you can see terminal over here. Okay, there is a terminal box over here. You can open that. Okay, you can click on that. It will take some time. Okay, to load things over here, and then we can write this particular command pip install Selenium. So by just writing this particular line, it will install the latest Selenium. Okay, over here it's mentioning Selenium 4.14. Okay, say for example you installed Selenium 14 today. Okay, 4.14 today, and after like 5 months, 6 months, the version is changed, and you want to update it. Okay, you want to go to the latest version. So it's not that you have to write the statement again. Okay, the statement would be pip install hyphen u Selenium. So hyphen u is for upgrading the Python bindings. Okay, upgrading the Python bindings. So hyphen u will make the upgradation of Selenium. Whatever version of Selenium you are using, that will be upgraded to the latest version. Okay, that way. Fine. So this command is for that particular thing. Okay, they have mentioned drivers also, driver interfaces also over here. So earlier we used to go and like install these drivers, download these drivers, and open it up. Okay, but now it's not needed, and they have given a sample example also how to open up a Firefox browser. In case of Chrome, you just have to write webdriver.chrome. That's it, and then you can open up the URL, any URL. Okay, they have given this example. This example also, like you're opening a Yahoo page, searching for Selenium HQ and closing the browser. So they have given some small snippets of the code, okay, related to Selenium. So we will understand these code one by one. So let me close this. And if you want to install a specific version of Python, that also can be done. For that, you have to give the specific version name after Selenium. So pip install Selenium and then the version name of Selenium. Okay. So current right now, what you can do is you can just copy this code, copy this command. Okay, pip install Selenium. You can just copy to clipboard, and you can go over here and paste it. Okay, paste it. Pip install Selenium. Okay, just in case if you are not having pip also installed in your Python, what you can do is, okay, you can go to file, okay, settings. Generally it is installed by default, but still I'm mentioning you. So file and then settings. Let it get loaded. Okay, so Python interpreter. Okay, so you can see project 3 Python interpreter 3.11. This is the interpreter. Okay, and I'm having pip also. The version is 23, and you can see Selenium is just Selenium is 4.12. Okay, if I select project 4, okay, Selenium again, project 4 also, it is showing 4.12, and pip is also there. So in case if you want to install this pip, okay, or Selenium, you can do it from here as well. So what you have to do, again, I'll just remind you, okay, repeat it. So file, settings, click on the click on the click on the button, okay, and find over here whichever package you want to install. Say for example I want to install pip, so just write down pip. You can see this is highlighted. Okay, let me just, so this is the pip command. So just click on it. Okay, click on it, and there will be a description coming up what that particular um, does. Okay, you can mention the specific version, so specify a version, you can mention the specific version, and if you don't do this, it will install the latest version. Okay, so it says install the user's site packages directly, that is this one Python directory, that over there this will be installed pip command. Okay, so if I click on install, this pip will be installed in this particular directory. Okay, so you can search for it if your pip is there or not. If it is not there, you can install it, and then you can search for Selenium also over here. Okay, Selenium, you can see Selenium is listed out over here. So this is the website. Again, you can specify the version, specific version, you can install it. So latest one is 4.14. If you want to go for 4.12, you can select it and click on install package. Okay, it will install that particular specific version in your project. Okay, clear? I hope this is clear, guys. How to install Selenium and pip in your
Yes, sir.
system, right?
Yes,
You can go to terminal in your PyCharm. You can go to terminal and write down this code. Okay, pip install Selenium, or you can go to file and then settings. And in case of setting also interpreter, you have to, or whichever project name you are doing, you can select that project and then click on plus and install. Okay, sure. So this is done. Now we have to create a simple program of opening browser. Okay, so let's go over here only. Says okay, what it says, okay, this code, just copy this code, just copy this code, just copy this code, copy this code and paste it over here. Okay, so what it says, webdriver.firefox. Now Firefox is a class. Okay, if you mouse over on that, it is fetching the documentation. So Firefox is a class, okay, having this init as a constructor, okay, and this WebDriver is nothing but a package. Okay, Selenium.WebDriver is a package. So what we are doing, from Selenium, we are importing this WebDriver package. Okay, just by writing this line, okay, WebDriver.Firefox, it will open up your Firefox browser, and we are storing the reference of Firefox in this particular browser variable. You can say browser, I generally use driver, okay, as a parameter variable name, so I'll use driver. Okay, so driver equals WebDriver dot Firefox. So let's run this code and see if it works or not. So running the very first time it takes time to load. It opened up Firefox browser, but then I don't know why, but when I run my automation code for the first time, it gives me an error. Let me rerun it. Firefox browser, and now it should open up the selenium.dev website. See, the website got opened up successfully. Okay, fine. So this is how you can open any website on any particular browser. For Chrome, you can see in case of Firefox now, you will see a difference in Chrome and Firefox. When you open up a Firefox browser and a website in Firefox browser, when you run your program, your Firefox browser will be like kept open by the automation script. Like your browser is currently open, right? When I click on this close, it will be closed. But when I see open Chrome now, you will see a difference. Let's say Chrome. Run this one. In case of Chrome, what happens? The Chrome browser will open up. Okay, it will open this website, and then it will get closed. The browser will get closed. Okay, so once the entire action is done, it will automatically close the browser. See, it got closed. So this is the difference between Chrome and Firefox. So if it happens in case with you also, don't get worried. Okay? And if you want to close your browser with automation script, now what you can do is you can just say driver dot close. Okay, this is a method which will close your current browser instance. Okay, it closes the current window. That is what it does. Okay, it belongs to this particular interface, that is WebDriver. Okay, so I'll change it to Firefox because I want my browser to be kept open. Okay, after the actions have been done, so I'll just keep it open. Okay, so this is how you can do the a simple program in case of automation. Now over here you just have to remember that if you create an instance of any class, or okay, you have to write in this particular order. If you're calling a method, okay, we have learned how to call a method, okay, with the help of instance. So this is nothing but an instance method. We are calling this method with the help of an instance. Driver is an instance, okay, and then we are passing a parameter that is a string parameter, and which is nothing but URL. Again, we are calling a close method, which is again an instance method with the help of this instance, that is driver. So this is the thing which you can refer in case of Python or any programming language. We are learning that programming language to understand these basic concepts. Okay, what is an instance? What is a method? Okay, what is a class? Parameters. Okay, so in this session, and you guys can try this out, this particular code, and execute it and see if it is working perfectly fine or